time. Bounces off here, bounces there. Like it does not pass. Once it passes, we're headed down.
All right, let's get into YouTube real quick. Let's make sure that the audio. Can you hear? All right, I think we should be all right. Let's get into YouTube. We are live. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna double check the volume again to make sure that we are. Yeah, so there goes Price popping again. All right. Are we live? Let me see. I'm gonna double check the side really quick. Oh yeah, we're live. We're good. All right. So let's get this link and get it shared. Sorry for the delay. Had to update my system, so. Sent. All right, there's one. Send it one more spot, and we are good to go. There goes Price crawling back up. Boom, 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 boom. All right, there goes Price skying again. All right, so really shouldn't need. Got 3 guys watching. Happy to have you guys here. Welcome to the live again. I think I have everything set up properly. If I'm missing something, let me know. But I'm just gonna stay focused on this 1 minute chart for now, and I might even make my screen bigger. Now we are up 212 already on our account here. I was able to catch a little scalp down here. So keep that in mind. I got Brandon with me, younger brother. So he's in here, we're locked and loaded. All right, so one of the things I gotta do today is just be more aggressive. So you're seeing Price get up to a certain level and then reject.
Yes.
You're seeing it up to what level?
Up to your watch. It's gonna
But what's the price?
I don't know, but I'm up 900, 800, 870. But I'm
Doing
doing
what?
What'd you say?
You're looking at the 1 minute
I'm
chart.
looking at the 1 minute chart. I got the.
And you're seeing resistance at. Not back. Oh, I see. Give me 1 second. I didn't have it plugged into the thing. Oops. Plug it in here. Rookie mistake, my bad. That shouldn't happen again. Alright. There we go. We should have our stuff good to go for now. Alright. Pull back. Damn it, missed it. So like that was to me that was an easy one. Back into the now looking at all the different like support resistance levels, I think it's great. I think if you put too much value into it, then it overwhelms with what's going on. So
I agree with that because it's like how many fucking lines you gonna put on the screen. But at some point, it's like the most recent price action. If we're bouncing off that line, that's important. We blow through it here with a bunch of volume, and then that's where we're headed back to that next resistance level.
Well, yeah, that's how to me that's how it works. I agree, but like if we blow through here, and then we retest it right there, like I think that's important as well. I'm just like, at what point are you gonna look at that and say, like, would you rather go long right there, or would you rather go short if price gets back to that level again?
If price gets back to here?
Basically, that 657 level.
See, but that price gap.
It's like
they didn't hold shit. So to me, it's like that's really not a.
But that's what I'm saying. It held until it did. So if I'm gonna draw it so people can see it on the screen, but it's like
longer it's been.
So it's 57 right here. All right. So let's just say let's say it's that. So price holds multiple times, then it blasts through it, then it holds as resistance, but then it gets blasted through again, and so now it's supposed to hold as support. Like this is what I'm saying is
that's to me it's just a non-decision. Like this is all choppiness. We're choppy as hell.
It chops in there, right? So it chops all in here. I agree with that. Which is this. So it chops all in here. And then it breaks out here and breaks back in here. That was a trade we should have had. This one is no longer. We're kind of chilling until we get price to really, and I think price is holding our channel here quite nicely. But I guess we'll see, because we can still we can go sideways and go up, I think. We'll just see where price goes.
Okay.
Let's see where price goes. So we are trying to make a little bit of a push. This is the 15-minute chart. So there's your double bottom on the 15-minute chart. So I'm not sure how you want to play that, but
I only work with the double bottoms on
into the higher time frames, especially if I'm looking for like 3 to 4 points. Like I'm just not super into it, and but like that's just the way I like to trade.
But what if you scalp at those times when you see the change in direction because it all looks the same? So big change. It's like, okay, we're in the lower time frames, we're in the uptrend on one fucking candle in the hour.
Hourly chart shows you what.
I mean, if you have your resistance levels drawn, and at some point there's going to be one here, right? Because it's all the way back to where we are now, all the way back. You could see the amount of space we have in there, and if you go in the lower time frames, to me, where you're going to see the uptrend, right? So that's where you can know whether you're going to be taking the longs or shorts, or if this point right here is a reversal, or are we hitting that point?
That's too much decision making, I think.
But I think once you see it, you break it down to how you want to decide to take the trades. I think it makes it simple to make decisions on when to and when not to make trades.
I partially agree. I also disagree. So we don't see.
Why?
Because having so many pieces, first they have to decide. Like, let's see if we get a pullback on this one. I would go long if price got to right there. If I'm looking for, I guess it comes down to how many points you want to look for on a trade. If you're looking for 20 to 50 points on a trade, then yeah, I think you have to look at a chart that's going to give you that, or multiple charts. If you're looking for 5 points, I don't think it makes sense to look at the hourly, the daily, the 4 hour. Like, you can get all the information you need off damn near one candle. And so to me, it's like, don't overcomplicate what's very easy to see. Which got ATR 15. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying if the goal is to get a few points, then I don't necessarily think it makes sense to look at the highest of high time frames, or any time frame other than maybe more like a 5 minute, to get you some idea, and then from there you're able to chop down and get a couple points here. Like, this is probably not going to be a trade, so we'll wait for that one. All right, so this price pulling back a little, got close to our entry, didn't hit, and then now we're kind of reversing. Let's see what we get here. So this is your classic double top, and we'll see if this one makes a new high or not. And then we'll just chill. But I see this very clearly. Like,
well, what does that look like?
To me, what I'm trying to tell you is, it doesn't matter what it looks like on a higher time frame.
But to me, it's like on the higher time frame. To me, that's gonna be looking like that's one candle that's just starting a reversal. On that, it looks like it broke the trend.
What trend is this? This is
that's a sideways trend.
Okay,
but on the higher time frame, it could be.
That's what I'm saying. It could be anything. That's my whole point. Is it could literally be anything.
Well, we can decide when to take trades based off of that. The higher time frame showing this, and then boom, take your scalp.
Yeah, I'd fucking disagree with that shit. I don't want to.
Shit. Well, I'd like you to explain to me why the fuck. Because I'm not saying this is what I'm thinking. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that this is what I'm gonna indefinitely do. I want to hear what you have to say.
We didn't get enough pullback on that one. I'm really just using the top of our reversals here, of our sell zones, buy zones. Missed that one, but not that wasn't a chance. This one had a chance. All right, so let's see what we got here. Price extending.
I bet you it stops with this resistance level right here
at 720. Okay, so there's 720.
720, it hit it. I'm not saying we won't blow past it, but this is a time where it's just indecision. This is not a pullback and buy type situation to me.
So what has to happen for what is this?
I mean, it's just waiting, right? Because we have that resistance here.
Waiting for what?
To see which direction we're going. If we blow past it, then we
blow past it, then what?
Then you move it back and you check the next resistance level. If the next resistance level is fairly far away, that means the next place where it's going to consolidate is wherever that line is, and that's where you can get in your long shorts.
I got it too quick on this one. I just didn't be patient enough. I should have been in right here.
See, that's my thing too with that.
I should have put a limit order in. We're gonna let this one play out, and if we blow up this count, blow up this count.
Yeah, that's what.
I agree. My point is, like, if we're waiting, the question is, what are we actually waiting on here? Like, what are we waiting to see per se? Now, I would agree with you on this one. I was way too aggressive on this one. I probably should have put my entry somewhere down here and down with 3 contracts. But fuck it, we're gonna let this thing ride out. And I'll just blow up this account.
To me, I think it's like this. It's not telling you when to take the trades. It's saying this is what happens most of the time. Now you have to decide when you're gonna get in or what looks good to you. I mean, it doesn't this isn't a trading strategy. It's just where price consolidates, where it gets to, it's just like.
Oh shit, yeah, this one closed. Went out in a second. I guess I agree a little. All right, let's see what price wants to do here. We're gonna hold it because really this account's about to be blown up. So we're gonna hold it until it gets even or it blows up the account. So fuck it. We'll just chill.
I'm missing by fucking $500, but that shit's about to. I bet you that shit's about to blast through.
We'll see.
Right.
We'll see.
320. Next time it stops.
There it is. It close that one out. Let's go paper here. If we're gonna sit here and argue, let's just go paper on this one. And just go 4 contracts on all my trades. Instead of 5, 4. Okay. I'm going to sell right here if price gets up to that. I gotta use limit orders a lot better than I do. All right, so there's 160, 120. Back to even, up a little bit. And for me, the reason that I like this trade is simply we have price reversing down, gets into our sell zone, and then bounces right back out. Now, how much we take on this trade, it depends on what price wants to do here. So there's 120, even, minus. Here, let's see what price wants to do here. 260 minus 200. Okay, so we're gonna chill on this one.
And I don't know, but it seems like a good, like if you're trading right near the support resistance, like taking that little bit of profit maybe might be.
Where?
Like, you're up $200, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if we're looking at it, we're right here. It's like we don't really know whether price is gonna be that level's gonna be respected, right? So that's, to me, is when we don't hold on to it. But I'm saying this because I want your input, and I want to know.
All right, let's see. If we're looking for longs here. I like that long. I'll chill though, but I like that position right there. Be patient.
So, do you just tell me what you think about this once you.
Yeah, PF, I agree. 5 points on anything, minimum 3 minute chart. Yeah, I agree with that. What were you saying?
So, I don't know. I don't know enough to ask.
I'm going long right there. All right. Reason for it, I got price trending up a little bit. I'm gonna have to deal with some drawdown here. We'll see. But basically, I see price reverses here. Now this could be my target up here at that 713 level, so that's 7 points away. But I see this here as well. There goes 260, there's 340, there's 300, 360, 340. We'll take 380 on that one. So that's, this is more of what I'm seeing here. And I think I have an idea on this though, so let's give it a second. All right, so that was a quick one because that one ended up basically working out pretty fast, but 14. All right, see if I can show you this again. All right, so here's here's what I am seeing, different from how you would see it, but here's how I'm seeing it. Here, top, here, the top as well.
Mm-hmm.
And so I don't know if price is necessarily going to come down to here, but this is that 92 level. I see this one very clear, and I see that top over there very clear. So if we let the market settle down for a second, here and here is what I see. Mm-hmm. So if we're trading back and forth, as in like in between this level here, then this would be what I'd be waiting on. So buy from there, sell up here. Now I'm not going to sell if price gets to here or buy if price gets to here, but I see this, and then now, but this could be that. The same thing, to which then we'd be building back down, to which then I'd be looking for shorts.
Okay.
So now I'm looking at just straight up just price action. So here's what you would call a double top right here or so. And then now I'm seeing this come back. So if we get double top and then that same candle is the following, I think, so this is double bottom, green, launch, double top, red, down, then this next trade here should be a short that we're looking for as well, potentially.
But do you think it could just be a retest or however?
It could be any number of anything. What I'm saying is I'm not going to call it a retest or anything. What I want to see is just if I'm seeing the markets clearly, if my bias is correct, or if not, then we'll wait. So like we have this right here. So double like rejection here. We kind of rejected this top two, then we blew through it, so we had to be patient on that. But starting to see price build down a little bit from here, and then we have it again. Price gets up here, rejects 3 times, comes back down. And so I should be seeing a short at some point. But if not, then we'll continue this uptrend that we're seeing, which would be like that, if that makes sense.
For sure. But you don't think the trend got broken by that last red candle? This one right here.
This one?
Yeah, because we're up, and then we'll wait for
Maybe.
that one.
But maybe like this, if like you use this as your trend, then it's still technically an uptrend until price were to cross below here. So let's remove all of that and just wait.
Okay.
So now, if what you would consider a retest, I would consider a pullback, which would be like a pullback into this level right here, and then go short right there. Now let's see what price wants to do here, because if we bounce on this level again, then we're just going to do like maybe bounce a little higher each time. So let's wait and see. Okay.
And you don't like the volume candles?
Not that I don't like them, I just think that the volume is like really delayed. So I do see like you see price acceleration, but volume it's good, but we don't have volume that's like anything worth like it can't really be leading other than like these candles.
I think after okay.
I have my opinion on volume, and I really like volume. All right, so I'd want to go sell if price got up to there. All right.
That level's scary, bro.
All right, so price, let's see if it bounced right there. Let's see if we can get it. So we want to go sell it, I would go sell at 696. All right, so we are in the trade, okay? There's our pullback, there's 80, there's 140, 180, 160, and let's see if we can get anything near this. Okay. Now we're down, even. Okay, so we're kind of just chilling. Now I do think if this is our bottom here, then we're gonna have to be patient. So let's see if we can get a break even on this one potentially. We'll take it. If not, then we'll just be down. But I don't know what price wants to do here. $81.20. Okay, this could be running, but let's see. They're minus 240 on that one. Okay.
To me, price, whatever, consolidated, whatever, at that, what is it? Yeah, today, since from 7 o'clock to now, it consolidated in that area 8 times. So to me, it's just like, it's hard to predict what the fuck's gonna happen right there.
Okay, let's see if we can get price outside of our channel here. We'll see what we get. pullback, buy right there. Probably a little aggressive, but I like this trade here. So price above our high over here, gets into our zone. I jump in way too soon, but I think we're going to continue to go high here. So let's see. Struggling to get profitable. There we go. 180. 200. Close this one out at 100, 200 bucks profit there. All right, we'll take 100, or if that ended up being 20, we have 20. But so price struggled to get above this level here. Crossed and pulled back. Now I don't think price is done going up, but let's see what it wants to do here.
How many contracts are you in for?
Just four. Chilling.
My entry was a bit.
Where'd you go buy at?
Right at the same time you did. I just had.
You just held on to it?
Yeah, I just had it now. That's stupid, but
If price is going to continue to make,
it looks good.
it should be all right. So there's price sitting.
What is it? 1,700 so far.
Let's see. What's the below time frame? 1 hour?
What'd you say?
You got the 1 hour right now.
No,
1
not
hour,
the
1
1
minute.
minute. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
One
My
minute.
bad.
Let's see if we're waiting. What we want to do here.
Really bounce around. I'm just gonna take 200.
Good choice. That shit is chilling. It's trying. It's really trying. Alright, so price really pulling back here. Now I wait for this one. And we'll see.
What if you just try it, bro?
What?
What if you just try to there's all those levels of the horizontal line?
And so you're saying what?
I'm just saying I'm trying to really learn that shit, right?
Are you trying to trade off of this or just wait?
I mean, it's telling me when I am and when I'm not gonna make a decision. When I make an entry, I think. Like,
I'm trying to figure out what you're saying.
I'm saying that price. I mean, look how many times price makes it changes, consolidates in that area, right? If we blow past it or whatever, then we're looking at the next resistance level to where price is gonna stop. You see, it blew past and now it hit that this resistance level and now it bounced off that one. So like you could tell when it's likely gonna stop, and then that's what I see.
But it didn't stop.
But it did stop. It wicked up there, but it's that you get out of the trade. That's it. 'Cause you don't know where it's going. It's not a way to make a decision, but it is where price is. So this be important to you at all? Like the 1 hour, lots of volume here with this level?
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe. Let's see what we get here. We'll see if price wants to settle here or if it's ready to keep going.
And do you look at that thing like you're looking for shorts or what is like?
No, I just sometimes when the market is like right now, like let's see what this wants to do here for a second. But when I see the S&P or the Qs are down a little or up a little, it just depends. Then I know either we're choppy for sure. We don't really have a direction yet. But if this starts to get closer to zero and then go green, then we're gonna have some momentum going in the market. If it's red and can continue to go red, then we'll see price continue to drop. I like a short right there. I really do. I didn't take it, but I like a short right there. We'll see what this wants to do here. But if I see price, like not price, but if I see the market getting S&P Qs getting green or getting towards zero, then we're gonna have momentum of this thing going green. And if I see it like if it's up a little coming down, then we're gonna have some more sellers stuff in the market. It's just an easy way to see like, okay, who's really in control here, buyers or sellers. And right now we made this little pop, but it's like probably looking at selling more than buying. All right, so price rejected there a couple times, so I would go sell right here. That's probably a little early, but price didn't get it. And there it goes. Missed it by a tick. Quarter. That's fine. Really should only be taking trades into the channel, honestly. Damn near.
It seems like the support and resistance is that Kelvin channel.
It can be. Pop. So let's see if this is our bottom now, or we're going back up, or if this is going to be our top. We're going to keep pushing back down, like this level, like both, like this in here. That's kind of what I'm seeing.
Okay.
This mini consolidation. You're seeing price hold right there.
Yeah. That's part of the reason why I like looking at them. Right at that level. I think some people would say that's weak and what about somebody I heard said that'd be weak, and so we're probably looking for some shorts, but it sucks that we can always be right or wrong one way.
Alright.
3 contracts, 330.
Nice. Off that long right there.
Yeah, that long.
Good. Really good trade right there. All right, let's turn this live. We'll be back live tomorrow. I'm gonna work on a couple things here, a couple ideas I've got, and we'll be back maybe later today. We'll see, but definitely tomorrow, and we'll check back in. I'll see y'all.